deer.
Just keep doing what you're doing. Pay no attention to us.
Look up, please. Thank you. He listened. Oh, I always post with the fans.
Yeah. Right. I'm sure that's what he's thinking right now.
God damn it, I just want to eat my breakfast in peace. I'm so hungover. Fred was for the crazy last night. He probably giving me the grass shots.
He probably just woke up.
Yeah.
Party and hardy, huh?
Hey, guy. He's so close. All the time.
Wait, I want him to put his head up one more time. One more time.
Better act fast.
He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. Alright, we have the extremely rare white-tailed deer. We've never seen one so up close.
Nomming on some grass.
Yeah. Oh god, now we have to walk at the pace of the deer.
Just like, hey, quit falling.
Oh, he just defecated.
It's like, that's what I think of you in your pictures.
Why am I so intrigued by this right now? I don't know.
I've never been this close to a deer, I don't think.
Yeah. Alright, I think I've got enough footage. We can move on.